Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my quarterly update, as I said last video, and please check it out if you haven't. I will link it. Okay, so like I said in my last video, I will be doing quarterly updates this year just to see what happens. And while I was watching my last video, I don't rewatch myself often, but I wanted to just, because it's been so long, I just wanted to see what I talked about and everything. So I tried to stay really faithful to that plan. So I am here. It's beginning of September, a little bit past the 1st, so I'll be probably posting this in the middle of September, but it will still be my September update, which is 3 years and 6 months update with my Sisterlocks. So I posted on my Instagram a picture, a comparison between this year and last year, and oh my gosh, my hair has changed so much. So the evolution, although you can never see how you evolve daily, when you look at pictures, you can really see a difference. That's always an advice that I've heard whenever you're on a journey, hair growth, weight loss, whatever you're trying to do. Taking pictures is the best thing, because sometimes you're just going to look at yourself and think nothing's changed, nothing has evolved. But then you will look at yourself with a picture that's 6 months before or a year before, and then you will understand your progress and you will be like, wow. So with hair growth, really, it's not anything major that you have to do. It's not a regimen that you have to really follow or anything. It's just patience. You just have to wait and see. So I didn't find that success with loose natural hair or with relaxed hair. Just the waiting and seeing, that never worked out for me. But with locks, waiting and seeing is definitely working. I think I'm wearing my hair the same way as last video. So, and I don't know if with quarterly updates, we will see a big difference between like every update that I do. I'm not really sure. That's what I was thinking before I started filming. Like, my hair must be really different from last time I filmed. Maybe not, but I encourage you guys to always go back on my older videos to check the beginning of my journey, to check my hair at 1 year or at 2 years. I'm at 3 years and a half right now, so this is what it's looking like. As I always say, loving the thickness. It's really thick, thicker than I ever thought that I would get. And it's long. It's getting really long. I really like how it's growing in nicely. Nothing major has happened. I just looked at my hair the other day and realized it's locking. I keep saying my hair is not really locking because I see a bunch of, curly ends like this. But if I go through my hair, I will always find, even in the front, locked locks. Like these two are pretty much locked. No more curly ends, or almost nothing curly. And I think I have one in the front that's really completely locked. And now if I need to show it, I won't find it. Oh, I found it. Okay, so this one is completely locked. First row lock, this is how long it is, completely locked, versus another first row lock that is not locked. This one is getting there. Let me see what I have that is not locked. Okay, this one. Oh, this is not even a first row lock. So it should be shorter because it's not even the first row, but this is the difference between the two. So this fully locked, and this one not locked. Look at the difference. So that's what I was saying. That's what I meant. I've said this a couple times, but that's what I meant when I said when the hair locks, it kind of folds or shortens somehow. and that's what happens. I don't know if it will do that for all of them, but the ones that I've locked in the back, I noticed this as well. And the ones that are locking in the front, same thing. They're just getting shorter. And then with you know, the process of locking, I don't know what will happen, but it's not really something that's bothering me at all. I'm really excited about the fact that my hair is locking slowly. So let's see. So this is a few locks in the front. You will see this one here is shorter and it's really locking. And then these ones are longer. This one, the end is not really locked. This one is much longer. Not locked. Starting to lock, this one. And that one not locked. Very long. And also it's possible that it's because those locks were shorter that they look like they're completely locked versus the other ones that are longer. That will probably take another year or two to lock because it has to go fully down the barrel, down the lock, all the way to the end. And it's not there yet for a lot of them. I can show you, I haven't mentioned this, but you've probably seen it. This is the lock that came out last year. Last summer 2021, this lock came out completely. And so this is the length for that one. It's a little bit annoying because it's shorter than the other one. So it sticks out like this most of the time. So I have to kind of maneuver it inside whatever style. Oh, my eye is watering. 1 second. Yeah, so that lock is growing, but it's still rebellious. I'm not sure how it's going to hold up, but it's the only lock that's really giving me problems. And this one, my loctician fixed it, not last retie, but the retie before, but I forgot. I didn't film in the last two reties, so I couldn't have talked to you about that. So my loctician fixed it, but now there is another part of the lock becoming weak. So what she does is she observes it, she sees what it's doing, and then when it becomes too weak, she reattaches the lock. So we'll see with this one. She might have to do it again. She did it, I think it was more towards the root, that it was a little bit fine and thin, and so she just removed it and reattached it properly. But now we have this thin part here, so we might have to do that again. I don't know if you can see that. So she did it for me. Last time it was here, but now I don't know if you can see that. And now it's a little bit down here. So if I find footage, I will compare the two and show it. It's 11 at night. It's really late and I'm filming this. But here, this is the time I have. I work full time. The kids are back to school, and I also signed up for a class, and so I do schoolwork myself. This is my life right now. But I wanted to still come on. Every time I post a picture on Instagram and I'm amazed by my hair, I want to film something, and it was time for an update. So here's the update. So this is my hair, 3.5 years. I love it. I get questions here or there sometimes. I really appreciate the questions, and I'm really happy for the newly Sisterlocks ladies. Welcome to the Sisterlocks world, or Microlocks ladies. Welcome to the Microlocks world. It's amazing. I know it is because I love it myself. I'm enjoying every second of this journey, and I don't like I don't do anything. The only thing that I do sometimes to switch it up and spice it up is braid outs. So I did a braid out Sunday because it was a conference at my church and I wanted my hair to look a little bit different, a little bit, how would I say, a little bit spiced up. I wanted to do something special, but I wore my hair in this style with some volume and I really like that. But now the waves have fallen. You can't really tell that I had a braid out. I don't think you can, but in preparation for this video, I also watched my 2-year anniversary video and it's amazing the difference between my 2-year hair and right now. It's so amazing. I'm wearing the same shirt. I like to wear this shirt when I film just because it's white and you can see my hair well when I wear it, because usually I wear black t-shirts, but when I film, black t-shirts are not the best, so I wear white t-shirts and you can see my hair, you can see how it frames my face now, you can see how it falls on my shoulders, and this is what it looks like now. I love it. I really do, and I'm really happy. What's the day-to-day with it? The day-to-day is I wake up and go. I don't have to do anything. Of course, I work from home most days, so I wake up and go, tie it up a little bit if I find that it's in my face or I'm hot and I need to just, you know, have it away. Otherwise, when I have to go to work, like when I have to go to the office, same thing. I really do the same thing. I don't feel an obligation to do anything special when I go in person to work. I don't wear makeup. I don't do anything. I wear like regular casual clothes. It's a very casual office, so we don't have to dress up. And so I don't really find the need to do more than what I do. I want to wear makeup, but I don't want to wake up earlier to do my makeup routine. It wouldn't be a full makeup routine. It would be a basic makeup routine. I have one, but I don't even want to do that. Sorry about the noise. My window is right here next to me. Yeah, the day-to-day, it's amazing. I don't do anything. I just fix my hair by brushing it with my fingers most of the time. I never spritz my hair unless I want to freshen it up. That's like once every 6 months or so, not even, I don't think. Like I spray my face more often than I spray my hair. And wash days are really easy. I do the once a month type of wash day, once every 3 weeks, once a month. I wash my hair, or when I feel like it. Like for my braid out the other day, I put some mousse in my hair, so I feel like I'm going to be washing it this week because I can still smell it in my hair. It's not the natural feeling. So, well, it's feeling better than last week. It's not feeling crunchy or anything. It's feeling better. But I still feel like subconsciously that I have to wash it. Otherwise, day to day, I go to bed. Honestly, I don't wear a scarf. I don't wear a bonnet. I don't sleep on a satin pillowcase. I wear a beanie sometimes. I've shown it in my channel, or a head, what do you call it? I'm drawing a blank right now. I have a blank, so I'll put the information on the screen. So I have this beanie that I wear sometimes, and I used to be to sleep, but I don't like to sleep with anything on my head. I get really hot. And I sleep with my hair like this, like I pull it up or pull it over my pillow like this and just sleep like that. It's not the best because, you know, I'm not used to having long hair. So this is like the first time in my life that my hair is this long. So it's like I'm always like on my hair when I'm in bed. So I try to move it out of my like neck and move it up. I haven't been able to sleep with the pineapple thing that people do to sleep. I haven't been able to do that. It takes some getting used to when you're not used to doing something like that. It pulls on my head and it gives me a headache. So I don't know if I'll ever be able to do it. So right now I just sleep with my hair like that and fix it so it's not bothering me. Like it's not in my face. It's not too much on my neck or in my shoulders. Pulling, you know, moving it away from my husband so he doesn't, you know, put his elbow on it. It's a whole thing. But like I said, it's like great cons to have, you know, when you've never had long hair. It's like great thing. Other than that, the day-to-day is nothing. I really have nothing. Every time I would just want to get up and go, my hair is ready. This is more than privilege. I'm so happy with my hair, and I hear my husband, he just came home, so I'm gonna have to sign off. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the new subscribers, and I will see you next time.